Today we will show you top 3 Amazon coolest coffee grinder you can buy. 1. Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Electric Coffee Grinder for beans, spices and more. Stainless steel blades, removable chamber, makes up to 12 cups, black. 2. KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder, Onyx Black. 3. SHARDOR Coffee Grinder Electric, Spice Grinder Electric, Herb Grinder, grinder for coffee beans, spices and seeds with 2 removable stainless steel bowls, black. To buy these products please visit Amazon.com.